everyone, Ken from PCSI, and if you're looking for a future that is set in the future, computer-aided drafting, design, 3D printing might be for you. This is Ashely from Triangle Tech, and she's going to tell the people what they need to know.
Well, thank you. My name's Ashely. I'm our Associate Director of Business Development here with Triangle Tech. Really excited to tell you about our school, our programs, and particularly our CAD with Additive Manufacturing and 3D printing program. So if you're not sure what Triangle Tech is, we are a trade school. We offer associate degrees in specialized technology that are done in 16 months. We actually got started in 1944 in Pittsburgh. We still have a location in the city in the north side. Over the years, we've expanded, so we're in Greensburg, DuBois, Sunbury, Bethlehem, and Chambersburg. We're a nationally accredited school as well. We're accredited with the Accrediting Commission of Career Schools and Colleges, which means your degree is going to be recognized nationally. So our CAD with Additive Manufacturing and 3D printing program, students are learning both architectural and mechanical blueprints. We use a few different software packages: AutoCAD, Revit, Inventor, and Civil 3D, and they're also learning the skill set for the additive manufacturing and 3D printing technology as well. So other services that we offer, we have financial aid, so if anybody wants to come in to meet with one of our advisors, go through FAFSA forms to see what they qualify for. We have career advising available to assist students with finding jobs after graduation. That's also available for graduates as well. We have free tutoring, free refresher classes, 90-day guarantee to employer. So a lot of great services for both students and graduates. So if you're a hands-on worker and you're interested in learning more how to get started in these careers, check us out at any of the information listed below.
All right, folks, if you're willing to print up a future for yourself, you know what to do. As always, PCSI is here to help.